everyone, it's Angel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today in this video I'm going to be making some rosemary oil while I'm here in Mexicali in Mexico, like I was with Gabriel last year. We are traveling and we're going to be staying in Mexico for about a month. So I did and was able to pluck some really thick, fresh rosemary off of my aunt and uncle's bush outside their house in Arizona. It is amazing rosemary. It's so thick and bright, and so I ended up stealing some. So while me and Gabriel are here in Mexicali, I'm going to be making some fresh rosemary oil for me and Gabriel's scalp treatments that we do once a week when we do wash day. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video today, and if you guys are interested in seeing that, please stick with me and let's just get into it. Okay guys, so once a week, Gabriel and I, we like to, well I like to because I got to do all the work, oil our scalps. Gabriel washes his hair, well I only wash Gabriel's hair once a week. So when I do that, we usually do a deep condition. I'll do a scalp massage, oil treatment, and I'll also do that for me. I wash my hair every other day, but only once a week do I oil my scalp because my hair will get super oily. Gabriel's hair, his curly hair does not get oily. Like, he soaks it up and his curls just look amazing. My hair is not the same, but I do need the benefits of the scalp massage, just the oiling on my scalp, depending on what I'm using. And I'm going to go ahead and use the rosemary this time because rosemary has the ability to help your hair grow. It stimulates hair growth. It also is a good hair cleanser. It can increase hair shine, help cure any irritation to the scalp, dandruff, any scalp problems. And if you guys have been following me, you guys would know that right now the main problem on my scalp was already irritated and angry with me in the first place. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and make this hair oil that I keep seeing people make, and I'm going to use avocado oil. I'm going to use avocado as my base oil to make this concoction, and I'm going to be adding some aloe vera in it. And while I'm at it, I'm going to be extracting the aloe vera gel from the plant because my mom has a lot of it out here. So I'll be adding some to my shampoo and putting it in the oil while I'm at it at the same time. So I'm going to be making a big batch of this. I do use rosemary a lot in my hair. I do make a lot of sprays, teas that I've been using in my hair lately. Let's just get into it and let's start making this mixture, and I'll show you guys how I apply it. Okay, first things first, if you're using fresh rosemary, go ahead and give your rosemary a good rinse first. Set it aside on a paper towel and put it outside in the sun and let it dry. Then you're going to be ready to use these three ingredients: rosemary, aloe vera, and your avocado oil, or olive oil if you want. Avocado is amazing for the hair. It prevents hair loss, encourages hair growth. It's full of antioxidants, minerals, vitamins, and so much more. Rosemary is an anti-inflammatory, promotes nerve growth, improves circulation. It can prevent premature graying, helps with dandruff, itchy scalp, and that's just benefits for the hair. Aloe vera is a great moisturizer, first of all. It's full of fatty acids and amino acids and rich in vitamins A, B12, C, and E. It also helps control greasy hair and has enzymes in it that break down fats that help rid of any unwanted extra oil on your hair. And in my case, it can help with an itchy scalp or any dandruff or dermatitis or scalp issues that you're having like I am. So that is why I really like to use aloe in my hair a lot. Now that's just to name a few to each of these ingredients, the benefits. There's so many more benefits to each one of these, but I'm just naming a few for the sake of this video. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and use your avocado or olive oil, whatever you end up choosing, and pour it into the jar depending on how much you're trying to use. I'm going to make a big batch for me, Gabriel, and my mother, so this is how much I'm gonna put in there. And you want to use the oil to cover your rosemary leaves, so you want to put a good amount in there. What I'm doing here is I'm cutting the woody parts off the end of the stems and only using the fresher, younger leaves and stems. And I'm going to put as much as I can in there that will fit under the oil. So I'm going to go ahead and stuff as many of the young stems in there and close the lid and put it into the pot and let it double boil. You can put it directly into the pot and just do it in the pot, not in the jar if you want, but I saw someone do this, so I wanted to see how it was going to go doing it this way. All right, so now while that is boiling, because that's going to boil or simmer for about 30 to 45 minutes, I think that's what they said in the videos I watched. So while that is simmering and boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and gut my aloe vera and put it in the blender and strain it so I can add it to the oil and to my shampoo and conditioner. All right, so when you first pull it out, of course, it's all bubbly and foamy, so you have to let it sit to let it settle. In the meantime, I'm gonna fill up my little travel size bottles so that I can add my aloe to the shampoo and conditioner. So now make sure that you strain your pulp out of your aloe vera before you do this. You can add this to your shampoo and conditioner regularly, but don't do what I did and leave it in there. I didn't strain it to add it to the oil because I was gonna strain it afterwards all together, so I completely forgot that I didn't do it to my shampoo and conditioner. All right, so once it's done boiling, go ahead and strain it. Try to use a cheesecloth or something because this works, but the pulp still gets through. Good morning everyone. It is the next day here in Mexicali. This is the finished result of the oil, rosemary infused oil. You could tell that there's a separation there, and that is the aloe at the bottom. Aloe is mainly water, so water and oils separate. So there's the aloe, and the oil is at the top. So I'm going to give this a good shake before I use it. But today is wash day for me and Gabriel. I'm going to go ahead and start applying this. I don't have a dropper. If you have a dropper or something like that, or a dropper bottle, you can put this in and it'd be a lot easier. I'm going to be using my finger or a cotton swab, so that's what we'll be using for me and Gabriel. We're going to let this sit in our hair for a couple hours, and then I'm going to go ahead and wash it out of both of our hairs and do a deep condition on both me and Gabriel's ends. And don't mind the birds, everyone, and all the noise. These birds will go at it. They go hard all day long. I love it, but they are kind of loud. So anyway, we're going to get into it and start applying this, and then I'll show you guys what we do next. Alright, so I'm about to apply, but first I need to detangle and brush my hair before I put all this all over my hair. I'm going to use a cotton swab to part and apply it to my scalp. And I'm going to do it from one side to another, like always. Bear with me, you guys. I am traveling and I'm in Mexico, so I'm using any light I possibly can wherever I can get it. I'm going to do the same thing with Gabriel's hair from one side to another, except for I'm going to be using my fingers to finger detangle the bottom of his hair, doing a scalp massage on us both before I pin it up and wait the 2 hours. Now that me and Gabriel have our hair up, it's out of the way, we're done oiling our scalp and our hair, we're going to go ahead and get in the shower. Well, I'm going to get in the shower first, wash and condition my hair, let it air dry a little bit. Then I will let Gabriel wait the 2 hours and wash and deep condition his hair, since his hair can withstand the oil longer than mine. So,
can I talk now?
Go ahead. What you going to say, baby?
I'm about to fall right here.
Oh, okay. Well, you can get down now.
Wait.
So, we'll be right back.
Hey
everyone. Alright, so I washed and conditioned after I let the oil sit in my hair and on my scalp for about an hour. I didn't wait the 2 hours. I did do it with Gabriel, but I don't leave it in my hair that long. I thought about leaving it overnight, but I was like, this is the first time making this oil, so I just decided to try and not leave it in too long to see how it does. Overall, my scalp is super clean. It is not super flaky, but it's not extremely dry after washing it, and that's been my problem lately, is when I wash it, my scalp is just super dry. It looks very clean, it smells really good, and it's not too oily. I really liked it. We'll see how it goes for the rest of the treatment through the month. I did use the Not Your Mother's conditioner to condition my hair because I ended up having to dump out the conditioner I had, put the aloe in. Basically, I did not strain the aloe before I put it into my little travel size shampoo and conditioner bottles. I just dumped it in there and totally forgot that I hadn't strained it. It was too late, so I just decided to try it anyway, and there was a lot of pulp left over in my hair from the conditioner. It left a lot of pulp, so I did have to rinse and condition it again, and I ended up using the Not Your Mother's Let It Grow conditioner. That's the shampoo and conditioner I used on Gabriel today, so I decided just to try their conditioner on my long hair, and it seemed to work pretty good. My hair smells really amazing and it feels really nice, not too thick and like moisturized and oily, but it does feel moisturized. So overall, I liked the oil. We'll be using it throughout the month to oil our scalp throughout the time that we're here, so we can use it up and let my mom try it as well. So far, we liked it. It was pretty easy to make. I hope you guys liked this video and liked the results. My hair is super shiny. And if you want to see Gabriel's results in his curls, you guys can check out my Instagram in the short video that I'll be making for him on Wednesday for Wash Day Wednesday for Gabriel's curls, and you could see the results on his hair. So I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching, you guys. This is how you made the rosemary oil from home using avocado oil and adding a little bit of aloe vera. And you don't have to use the aloe vera if you don't want to. Anywho, thanks again for watching. This is Angel. Don't forget to like this video if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel here. Turn on notifications to get future videos just like this one. And follow us on Instagram. And until we meet again, bye.